This is a demo of My First AAC.
My First AAC.
My First AAC is a communication app developed by Project Injini with 22 categories and over 200 icons. Let's get started. To navigate through the categories, press the orange button up here, or through the scroll up here, or just swipe through the pages. There's also a scroll lock that you can use if you want your child to focus on just one category at a time. Let's say it's snack time. You want them to focus on food and not on activities and places. So you can ask, what snack do you want?
Cookie. Juice.
You can go into the left-hand button here in the corner to change the settings. You can change the name. You can change the gender. When you change the gender, some of the icons will change as well. Notice that the icon now changes to a girl, and it also uses the girl's voice.
Hello.
All of the voices used in My First AAC are from children. You can even record personal information.
My name is.
These are recording prompts to tell you what you should record. My name is Jane.
My name is Jane.
You can record the same for your birthday, your phone number, and your address. Let's try with phone number.
My phone number is.
My phone number is 12345. And when you return to the personal category, your recordings will play in those same buttons.
My name is Jane. My phone number is 12345.
You can also change the layout, so instead of having 8 icons, you can choose 2 icons instead. Notice that the icons have animated gestures, borrowing concepts from sign language and baby signs.
All done. I want more.
These icons are preset, but you can go back into settings and change them. Let's select 8 so we have more options, and customize in the right-hand corner. So here you can choose to remove some icons, or you can add them right back in. And you can preview it before you add it in.
I want more.
You can rearrange the icons by holding down on it and moving it around. If you don't want all 8 icons on the screen, you can remove some of them and rearrange them. Notice that these are blank. We're going to go back and see what that looks like. Notice that those same empty spaces are blank here. Let's try it one more time with another configuration. You can also rearrange the categories by pressing this category button down here. So let's say your child hasn't learned their shapes yet. You can go ahead and disable that. And you can rearrange the categories by pressing this bar on the right-hand side. Let's see what it would look like if we disabled many of them. Now we only have 2 categories. You can customize it however you want, or you can return to the original settings by pressing Restore All in the bottom left corner. This will restore for all of the categories. The last category is called My, and you can use this to customize whichever is your child's favorite icons or most frequently used icons. So you can select from any one of these just by scrolling through these. Or you can search for the icon that you want. So that's an overview of My First AAC, which will be available in the Apple iTunes Store this fall. Thanks for watching.